Bonjour, bienvenue. Les articles partitifs, partitive articles. We have already learnt contracted articles. Du, de la, de L apostrophe, and they. These four words, apart from having the meanings of the, from the, about the, take the meaning of some also. Whenever these four words, du, de la, de, L apostrophe, they, take the translation of some, they are no more contracted articles, they are called partitive articles. They convey the sense of part of the whole noun. We'll go in detail. Before that, let's have a look of the contracted articles. Four sentences are given. Elle parle du film. She speaks of the film or she speaks about the film. Du here is contracted article taking the meaning of the, about the. Number two sentence. C'est le livre de la fille. This is the textbook of the girl. Of the, again contracted article. Tu viens de l'école. You are coming from the school. Contracted article. Voilà la chambre des amis. There is the room of the friends. In all these four sentences, du, de la, do, L apostrophe, and they. These four words take the meaning of about the, of the, from the. So, this is contracted article. The same four words are going to take the meaning of translation of some in many situations, many contexts. In those cases, they are partitive articles. We have four sets of sentences given on the screen. Look at the first one. Regarde le pain, tu prends du pain. Regarde le pain, look at the bread. Tu prends du pain. That is, you take some bread. You do not take the full loaf of bread, but you take only some bread. A part of the whole lot of bread. A part of the full loaf of bread. When we write tu prends le pain, that means you take the bread. It means you take the full loaf of bread. But here you take only some bread. So we make use of partitive articles. Du. Because pain, bread is masculine singular. De plus le, du, that takes the translation of some. When you take one slice or three slices from the whole loaf of bread, we use partitive articles. Look at the bread, you take some bread. Some bread here means, it may mean half of the bread or four slices of the full loaf, not the full loaf. Read the second set of sentences. Voici une pomme, je mange de la pomme. Meaning, here is an apple, I eat some apple. I eat maybe a half of the apple or two or three pieces of the apple. If I eat the full apple, I will say je mange la pomme. Here is an apple. I eat the apple. That means I eat the full apple. But here the case is I eat only some apple. So we make use of these partitive articles. Pomme, feminine singular starting with a consonant la, do la pomme. Here means some apple, a part of the full apple. Read the third set of sentences. Wala lo, al bua do lo. There is the water. She drinks some water. Maybe there is a full glass of water. She drinks some water. She doesn't drink the full glass of water. If she drinks the full glass of water, what will we say? There is the water. She drinks the water. But here, she drinks only some water. She doesn't drink the full glass of water. So we make use of partitive article. Wo, a singular noun starting with the vowel L apostrophe, D plus L apostrophe. The L apostrophe. The lo. Some water. And read the fourth set of sentences. Les fleurs sont dans le jardin. J'aime des fleurs. The flowers are in the garden. I like some flowers. I don't like all the flowers. I like only some flowers. There are many flowers in the garden, but I like only some of the flowers. To convey that also, we make use of partitive article. Read the sentences. Les fleurs sont dans le jardin. J'aime des fleurs. If I like all the flowers in the garden, I will say j'aime les fleurs. But I don't like all the flowers. I like only some of those flowers. So I say j'aime des fleurs. The flowers are in the garden. I like some flowers. Partitive article. Fleur is a noun plural. So les, de plus les, they become des. Some, des fleurs, some flowers. Please bear in mind the meaning, the translation of these four words, du, dola, do L apostrophe and they completely depends upon the context, whether they are contracted articles or partitive articles. They are to be translated as of the, from the, about the, or some. We have four sentences on the screen with partitive articles. Let's have the translation. Je prends du pain. I take some bread. Elle mange de la pomme. She eats some apple. Tu bois de l'eau. You drink some water. And number 4, il a des livres. He has some textbooks. When I make use of these partitive articles, I mean to say I take some bread, only some bread. She eats some apple, not the full apple, only some apple. You drink only some water, not the full glass of water. He has only some books, not all the books. He has some books. Now let's see what happens when these affirmative sentences with partitive articles become negative. Sentence number 5 is the negative form of number 1. Je prends du pain. And number 5, je ne prends pas de pain. After ne pas, du becomes the. That is, du sheds off the definite article. The plus le is once again eliminated and de remains. So, je ne prends pas du pain is wrong. Je ne prends pas de pain. Here, de takes the meaning of any. I do not take any bread, or I take no bread. Sentence 6 is the negative form of 2. Elle mange de la pomme. Elle ne mange pas de pomme. De la becomes de pomme. Elle ne mange pas de pomme. She does not eat any apple, or she eats no apple. Once again, read the second sentence. Elle mange de la pomme. She eats some apple. Number 6. Elle ne mange pas de pomme. De la becomes de after ne pas, a negation. Read sentences 3 and 7. Tu bois de l'eau. You drink some water. Statement 7. Tu ne bois pas d'eau. D-E L apostrophe. L apostrophe is omitted. D becomes D apostrophe in front of a noun wo, starting with a vowel. Tu bois de l'eau. You drink some water. Tu ne bois pas d'eau. You do not drink any water, or you drink no water. Sentences 4 and 8. Il a des livres. He has some books. 8. Il n'a pas de livres. He doesn't have any books, or he has no books. D-E-S. That is D-E plus L-E-S. L-E-S is omitted and D-E remains in the negative form. Il n'a pas de livres. This is how sentences with partitive articles are made into negative. This is all about partitive articles. Go through this lesson once or twice again till you understand the content completely, and try doing this exercise. Écrivez la forme partitive. You must write any one of the suitable partitive forms. Du, de la, dl apostrophe, or they. You are invited, you are most welcome to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so earlier. I take leave. We meet again. Thank you. Bye-bye.